welcome back to another video. So I just got a new ginger cat. I named her Rain because I really like the rain. It's beautiful. So yeah, let's go get some pet stuff for Rain. Honestly, I am surprised. I am very surprised that this girl actually took a bunch of my commons for this ultra rare ginger cat. I'm pretty bad with my controls, so bear with me. What should I get? Now, this is what expensive looks like. I have an idea. How about a, which one is it? I don't know. This. A squeaky bone. Yay, squeaky. I already dressed Rain up, and the clothing absolutely does not fit the name, but okay. Just gonna buy some pet food real quick. Alright. Wants to go camping, so let's go camping. Let's see how many trade requests I'm gonna get. And also something very funny. I've collected all 5 of these, and next I was going to get the ginger cat. Maybe I could make a neon eventually. I'm just walking on over to where the campsite is. Get on my roller skates and skate on over to the campsite, 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 trying not to get run over by this car. Okay, so sleepy ginger cat has the ability to sleep now. I'm just going to chill here in my personal space bubble. Frick. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill here in my personal space bubble. My no square. This is my equivalent to a no square. Nah. Alright. I'm just going to leave my personal space bubble to die. I'll get it eventually, if it's even still there. Yeah, it's not. Because I have my roller skates. In real life right now, Galaxy is so cute, just curled up sleeping on my lap. No. Please don't make fun of me in the comments about my house and adopt me. I'm working on it. What on earth? Also, don't forget to subscribe because on YouTube Studio, I saw that like 77.6 of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So please subscribe. It would really help. Alright, so now I am here at my house, this tiny house. I should probably work on it a bit. Okay, it's time for school. I am just going to use a leash, 'cause makes sense. Cats on a leash, how cute. People for some reason are always so adoring over cats on leashes. Probably because you don't see that a lot. Okay. Who here is going to be the lucky winner of a random item? I'm thinking this Oreo person. Oreo Legends. I'm just going to give her a stick. Oh, okay. This Oreo Legends girl is who I got rain from. This is gonna be that just seemed really rude what I just did. So please don't rage. Yeah, I'm not going to give her that ginger cat back. Oh, okay. I guess I realistically just got a free ginger cat. Yay, I got free ginger cat. Ginger cats surprisingly aren't legendary. They are ultra rare. In case you don't know what the R means, it means it's a rideable pet. Ah, seriously. And the N means it's neon. I only have one neon, but I'm working on making a Minty into a mega neon. So let's just chill at the pool, yay! Okay. I'm sorry about how boring my videos are. I think we can all agree my videos are rather boring. Alright, Rain, come on. Rain? Where should we go next? I know. How about we go to the toy shop? Pretty sure it's right next to the vehicle shop. TikTok notifications. Oh, go follow me on TikTok at Caitlin the Creep. Welcome to my toy shop. I love to buy toys. Some people say I bought this world, but that's just a rumor. Oh, jeez. Bye. Don't hit me. Okay, so heart balloon, pogo stick, propeller, teddy bears. Oh, yay! I have a teddy bear. How common is that? I think I will also grab nothing. Peace out. So anyway, I think I'll end the video here. So yeah, definitely read the description. When I was looking through the comments on one of the groups I'm in, I found something very disturbing. That is a very creepy warning about something that this channel is made for kids. So yeah. And a lot of kids would open this DM because it's Mickey Mouse. So yeah, that's all we have for today, guys. Bye, guys.